United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 190, Participation and appearance of sponsoring states parties in proceedings. 1. If a natural or juridical person is a party to a dispute referred to in Article 187, the sponsoring state shall be given notice thereof, and shall have the right to participate in the proceedings by submitting written or oral statements. 2. If an action is brought against a state party by a natural or juridical person sponsored by another state party in a dispute referred to in Article 187, subparagraph c, the respondent state may request the state sponsoring that person to appear in the proceedings on behalf of that person. Failing such appearance, the respondent state may arrange to be represented by a juridical person of its nationality.